Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how can we download Google Play Store app on our PC. So let's get started our video. You have to open your Google Chrome first into your PC, then click on the search bar and search here BlueStack, BLUESTACKS, just like this, and then press OK by using your keyboard or by using your mouse. Then you will find here such type of the interface. A lot of the websites will be open for you by the name of BlueStack, but you have to select the first one. Then you will find here such type of the page. At this website of the BlueStack you will find a lot of the versions about the BlueStack, but you have to select the first one, which is named as the Download Stack 5. So you have to click on this option and your installation of BlueStack has been started. It take a while and then an installed form of BlueStack will appear for you. You have to wait for a while, and yes, it is done. And now you have to click on the install now. This installation process might takes about 4 to 5 minutes and it will be installed successfully on your PC or laptop. If your internet speed is good, then it will take a little time, but if your internet connection is not good, then it will take a while. So guys, installation has been completed successfully. You have to click on the Play Store as we want to install or download the Play Store on our PC. And yes, it has been successfully done. You can find here or search here any of the app just like your mobile or Android phone. And that is all for today video. I hope you all like this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. See you again in the next video. Thanks.